the distance of the journey has been covered so far. Little way to go.
Good morning, Wild Schweins, and welcome to day one of Wild Schweins West Coast Tour 2020. We have 7,500 miles to go, 3 GoPros, we're wearing sunglasses, and it's foggy. Hit it.
And if only it could stay just like this all day.
Yep. This would be all right.
It would be. Sorry, I rolled out for a second there. Well, I think I'm going to drop into time warp mode on the Hero 8. Hero 7's already on time warp. Because there ain't anything all that interesting to...
Nope, I think it's going to be pretty boring for a little while, so this is all right, man.
Sign it out.